In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set alerts in Tradingview so you never miss important price moves or indicator signals again. Start by opening your chart on Tradingview. Once you're on the chart, look toward the right side of your screen and find the alert icon. It looks like a small bell. Go ahead and click it, then select Create Alert. This will open the alert setup window. First, choose what you want to track. In the condition drop-down, you can select the price of your current asset or any indicator you've added to your chart. If you're setting a basic price alert, choose the symbol and then pick a condition like greater than or less than. For example, if you want to be notified when price breaks above a key level, choose greater than and enter your target price. Next, decide how often the alert should trigger. You can select only once if you want a single notification, or every time if you want repeated alerts whenever the condition is met. Now set the expiration time. This is important because it prevents old alerts from staying active forever. You can choose a specific date or keep it active for a certain duration depending on your strategy. You'll also see an option to add a custom message. This is really helpful if you're using multiple alerts because it reminds you exactly why the alert was created when it triggers. After that, choose how you want to be notified. You can enable app notifications, emails, or even sound alerts so you get notified instantly no matter where you are. Now let's quickly look at indicator alerts. If you already have something like RSI or moving averages on your chart, you can select that indicator in the condition drop-down. Then choose a rule like crossing and set a value. For example, you might set an alert when RSI crosses above 70. Once everything is set, double-check your settings and click Create. And that's it. Your alert is now active. Whenever your condition is met, Tradingview will notify you instantly so you can react without constantly watching the chart.